Hi everybody, and welcome again to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating for you today. This is a 4-gallon Ross Planetary type mixer. Of course, stainless steel with a jacketed chamber, and it is vacuum rated. A lot of you are familiar with these. They've been around for a long time. Has a variable speed mixer. Of course, manual control. See the speed pickup right there, and that's not even halfway. It's on a painted stand, of course. Has safety so you can't operate with the bowl removed. Of course, we've had to bypass the main micro switch to operate in the up position and show you that. Has its own onboard hydraulic system. It does have a vacuum pump, but right now the vacuum pump is not operating. We can substitute one for that if you need vacuum on board and don't have your in-house vacuum. A lot of you know the Ross name. It's been around for many, many years. Fantastic equipment and mixing. Has the control panel operating on 223 phase. And this is in our stock here in our New Jersey location. And we have everything in process and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.